This is 60 business ideas in 60 days. Today we're talking about setting up a cleaning and facility management company in the UAE. A cleaning and facility management license allows you to provide professional cleaning, maintenance, and property management services for residential, commercial, and industrial clients across the country. Here's what you can do with this license. Offer residential and commercial cleaning, industrial cleaning for factories, warehouses, and construction sites, specialized cleaning like glass, facade, carpet upholstery, HVAC, and tank cleaning, facility management services, handyman and maintenance work, disinfection, and sanitization. Now, let's talk about where to set up. If you plan to offer on-site cleaning or facility management services directly to UAE clients, the Mainland is your best option. It allows you to sign service contracts with buildings, hotels, and even government entities. You'll also need a Mainland license if you plan to hire staff who would work at client sites. In Dubai, approvals and inspections are handled by Dubai Municipality or the relevant local authority. If your goal is to run a consultancy or management-only service where you're not deploying physical manpower, then a free zone setup might suit you better. It's faster, more cost-effective, and great for coordinating offices or facilities management consultancies that outsource manpower to Mainland contractors. Popular free zones for this type of businesses include Rakeez, IFSA, Sharjah Free Zone, Dubai South, and Ajman Free Zone. Just remember that free zone companies can't send staff directly to Mainland client sites without a service agent or local branch. So, here's the bottom line. Pick the Mainland if you're providing on-ground services directly to clients. Pick a free zone if you're focusing on management, consultancy, or support operations without field staff. Now, let's cover approvals and compliance. You'll likely need Municipality approval for cleaning and FM activities, Public Health and Safety Department approval for cleaning and sanitization services, Civil Defense approval if you handle safety systems or fire equipment, Environmental Health clearance for waste management or specialized cleaning. And depending on your setup, you may also need qualified technical supervisors for MEP or HVAC work. Don't forget, this is a manpower-heavy business, so health, safety, and workers' insurance are mandatory. Next up, banking. Banks usually treat cleaning and facility management firms as medium to high risk because of the labor intensity and cash flow structure. To open a corporate bank account, you'll need your trade license and municipality approval, a solid business plan outlining your contract and services, copies of clients and supplier agreements, and your office lease. Here's your game plan. Choose your jurisdiction, select your business activities, apply for your trade license, get necessary approvals from municipality or civil defense, lease your office space, hire manpower and stay compliant with labor and WPS rules, process your investor or partner visas, open your corporate bank account, register for corporate tax and VAT, arrange insurance and safety coverage. And that's it. Your cleaning and facilities management business is ready to go. If this sounds like the idea for you, we're here to help. We've assisted over 25,000 entrepreneurs in setting up their businesses across the UAE over the past decade. Fill out the form in the description and let's get your business started.